Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am pretty excited for this video because I'm going to be doing 2 looks with the Certifeye Affinity 2 palette, which just looks like this. It is absolutely stunning. It is a blue-green dream of a palette. I really love the color scheme of this, and there is one purple here, which I didn't realize it was purple until I got it, and I was so excited because I feel like it was just kind of like a little curveball there, and I just really like that pop of purple, and this palette is just absolutely stunning, so I could not wait to play with it. So I did do a more green tone look, and then I also did this look, which is more the blue and a little purple. So if you want to see both looks, then let's just go ahead and jump right on in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start off with this green right here called Albert. And I'm going to go ahead and put that shade through my crease. Then once I have the color all laid down, I'll go out and blend the edges. I'm going to go ahead and take that shade on a smaller, more dense brush, and I'm going to put that right through the crease to build it up more. And then I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just blend that edge out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take this deeper green right here called Shazad. And I'm going to use that on my outer V to deepen this up. I'm going to go in with my previous brush and blend that edge out. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Fraz. And I'm going to put this along the entire lower lash line. I'm going to grab this deeper teal right here called Nadine, and I'm just going to put that a little bit on the outer part of the eye right here. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this green right here called Bilal, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. So that looks really beautiful, but I'm actually going to take a little bit more on my brush and I'm going to spray it just to see if I can make that shimmer a little more intense. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Chaffee, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes off camera really quickly. I'm going to use the Linda Hallberry Calm Mood Pencil and the Ardell Wispies mascara, and then I'll be right back. For highlighter today, I'm going to go ahead and use Terra Moon Cosmetics Lace. For lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Marc Jacobs Gloss Stick in the shade Sugar Sugar. Alright, so this is the finished first look, and I really love how it turned out. I feel like it's been quite a bit since I just did a full green eye because I've just been so enamored with some other colors recently, but I love my greens and I love the color scheme of this palette and I love the look and how it turned out. I'm kind of surprised that shimmer I originally felt like was a little lackluster, but I feel like even though it's not like the most sparkly shade ever, it's such a beautiful color, and I feel like against the more grungy greens it just really stands out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Now let's go ahead and jump on into the second one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start off with this blue right here called Nawab. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. I'm going to go ahead and take that shade along my lower lash line as well. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this blue right here called Manir, and I'm going to put that directly into my crease. Just going to go ahead and slowly build that shade up. I'm going to go in with my previous brush and just make sure that's all blended together. I'm also going to go ahead and take that shade along my lower lash line. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and take this purple right here called Parid, and I'm going to put this on my outer V. And then once it's blended out, I'm just going to go ahead and build it up and make sure it's a nice deep purple. I'm also going to go ahead and take that purple along my lower lash line. Then I'm just taking the previous blue brush that I used for my lower lash line and just blending that. Alright, now for the lid, I'm going to go ahead and take this duochrome right here called Navid. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Should have tapped it off more because I just got a ton of fallout. I'm going to go ahead and pop this blue shimmer called Off Top on my inner corner. I'm going to tap just a touch of Certifeye, this duochrome light shade here on top, just to make it a little tiny bit lighter. Alright, you know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and quickly finish up my eyes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, for highlighter today, I'm going to go ahead and take the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. It's been forever since I used this. Really time to pull it back out again. I'm going to use this shade right here called Wish. For lipstick today, I'm going to go ahead and use Bite Beauty Sugar Cane, and then I'm going to take the Conjure Cosmetics Lip Gloss in the shade Dance Party over top. Alright, so this is the finished second look using the palette, and I really like how it turned out. I have been digging cool tones so much recently, not only just on the eyes, like as far as colorful cool tones, but cheeks and like a nice cool toned nude lippy. Like I've been kind of into cool tone pink lipsticks, as long as they're glossy, which is so weird for me because I normally hate this, but recently I've just been kind of liking it more and more, especially with this kind of eye look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and both looks. There's so much more I still want to do with this palette, but I'm just trying to use a little bit of everything, so you can definitely expect to see more of it in the future. But I hope you enjoyed this little bit for now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.